Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to be talking about the Adam Montgomery case today. This is a case that dates back to 2021 into 2022 and 2023. And there's been some significant developments, so I'm going to give a brief overview and go from there. The case began in late 2021 when New Hampshire authorities opened an investigation into the disappearance of 5-year-old Harmony Montgomery. She had not been seen since late 2019, but her absence was not reported for more than 2 years. Detectives traced that the last confirmed sightings to the Manchester home where Harmony lived with her father, Adam Montgomery, and stepmother, Kayla Montgomery. As the timeline tightened, investigators documented conflicting statements, gaps in reporting, and evidence suggesting Harmony had been subjected to ongoing abuse. In 2022 and 2023, the investigation expanded into a full homicide inquiry. Prosecutors allege that Adam Montgomery caused Harmony's death in 2019 and that he later disposed of her remains. A series of related charges followed, including assault, falsifying evidence, witness tampering, and abuse of a corpse. Despite extensive searches, Harmony's body has never been found. Montgomery was tried in 2024 for second-degree murder and related charges. The prosecution relied on testimony from Kayla Montgomery, digital evidence, and forensic analysis of the family's movements. He was convicted on the murder charge and several additional counts, receiving a lengthy sentence that kept him in state custody. Harmony's disappearance and the delayed reporting created a case defined by unanswered questions and long-standing frustration from the public and from her extended family. The absence of physical remains added to the emotional weight, leaving the case centered on testimony, timelines, and the small details investigators had pieced together. For those who followed the case, the focus has always remained on a child who never had the chance to speak for herself. In June of 2026, the New Hampshire Supreme Court overturned Montgomery's murder conviction, ruling that the trial should not have combined the murder charge with an earlier assault allegation. The court determined that trying the charges together risked prejudicing the jury. The ruling does not clear Montgomery. It resets the legal process. Prosecutors have already confirmed they will retry the murder case and the remaining convictions, including assault, evidence tampering, and abuse of a corpse, will keep him serving decades in prison. It's extremely unfortunate that they even overturned this case. The case will continue to move forward without the recovery of Harmony's remains, and the legal system now prepares for a second trial intended to resolve the central question that was defined this investigation from the beginning. As the case returns to court, the focus remains on Harmony, the unanswered questions surrounding her disappearance, and the pursuit of a complete and final legal record. This is a very sad situation, and the fact that, one, he's being retried because of them overturning the murder charge is outrageous. It's going to cost more money to the state and to the government, but apparently they feel they need to do this because he wasn't given a fair trial. But thankfully, he will not be seeing the light of day because of the other convictions that he's serving many years for. So I just wanted to give an update to that because I do know that many people followed this case back then, and I will continue to give any updates as I get them. Thank you, everybody, for listening, and hope you give your opinions and thoughts on this. And I will talk to you soon. And as always, have a good day and stay safe.